y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and you click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. Today's video was gonna be a first impressions video, but the powder I ordered for it has not come in yet, so hopefully it'll be here Monday. Hopefully I can get that recorded sometime next week. But anyways, today, as you can tell by the title, I got a dupe for the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. And this is the actual Huda Beauty one. Look. Gorgeous palette. I have used this once, I think. I mean, obviously I've used it, but I think it's only been once. And this is the dupe for it. It's from Bad Habit off the Shop Hush app. And it's called After Hours. Now this one, the shadows are named. That would be upside down for y'all. So I'm excited about this. I'm not going to let y'all know which eye I'm doing the high end on, which eye I'm doing the dupe on. I want y'all to guess. So tell me down in the comments which one you think I'm using the high end one on, which one I'm using the dupe on. And I'll let y'all know at the end of the video to see if y'all are correct or not. Very excited about this. So we're just going to go ahead and jump in. I'm cleaning my mirror, y'all. We're just going to go ahead and jump in and get started. To go in, I'm not going to tell you which palette I'm picking up. I'm picking up the one that's named, the Bad Habit one, but doesn't mean I'm fixing to use this one right off the bat. So I'm going in with Powder Room. Which one am I going in with? Now I'm just putting this all over the eye to make sure it's good and set. This is my first dupe video, so I'm quite excited about it. And I will be using different brushes for each one, so there's no product getting on the other, you know. And I'm sorry, my hair is a mess. Y'all should be used to that by now. Because, yeah. All I'm doing is going to the gym today. The next shade I'm going in with is with the light tannish one. Kind of like a mauve brown type color. Obviously a mauve. But it's called Lustful. Now, doesn't mean I'm fixing to dip into it next. So I've been wanting to buy some new eyeshadow brushes and I'm stuck on what to buy. So comment down below and let me know what y'all's favorite like eyeshadow brand, or what y'all's favorite brand is to buy for eyeshadow brushes, like blending, shader brushes, packing, you know, let me know down below. I just have not had the time to film lately like I want to, but I've had a lot going on the past few days, and then we're starting the gym, and we had a funeral, and it was the first funeral I've been to since my husband's accident. And the church that I was at, the only time I've ever been in that church before was with my late husband. And a lot of these brushes I do have like 2 of, so don't think that, oh, she says she's going in with a different brush, but she's not. Because, like, I have 2 of these. So, I just want y'all to see that. Okay. Next, in this palette, it'll be called Flushed. But it's the pinkish shade right there. Doesn't mean that's the one I'm going in with. Alright, and I'm just going to put that on my outer corner. Y'all, so far, they're looking so close, y'all. Like, with the pigment, the color, and everything. This is awesome. I'm so excited to see y'all's comments, like which one y'all think I'm using on which eye. Like I'm considering this one my left eye, obviously, left side. And I'm considering this one my right eye. So left, right, left, right. Blend any extra product over. But I'm just going to blend on that top part. With this one, it's going to be called Cabernet. And I'm just going to put some of that on that outer corner. In the V, and just kind of deepen that up a little bit. And I hear my daughter waking up, so I'm fixing to have to pause this video and get her fed. And I'm going to bring that in the crease just a little bit. Alright, now I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. Can't stress enough how important blending is. And then I'm going to go get my daughter. And then I'm going to get her a bottle. And then I'll be able to finish. Because I'm almost done. Go back in with those brushes I used. And go back in with the Cabernet. And just kind of pack that on the bottom a little bit. I don't hear her anymore. She's so bad about waking up and kind of crying for a second or talking and then going right back to sleep. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Wine Stain, which is that brown color. And I just want to deepen up the crease some because it's like just too red for me. And I'm like literally going in like this with it, but I'm gonna blend it out, so don't worry. Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Oh yeah, that deepened it up good for me. I'm gonna go in with what would be Clutch on the Bad Habit palette. Oh, there she is. Okay, let me do this real quick and then I'm gonna go get her and then I'll come back and finish. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that and highlight my brow bone in whichever palette this may be. Then I'm just gonna blend. So I don't want any lines up there. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go take care of her, get her fed and everything, and then I'm gonna come back in here and finish. It won't take me long to finish, but I might have a guest co-host with me. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, she is in there eating her bottle. So I'm gonna try to finish real quick. I'm gonna go in with Eye Contact in the Bad Habit palette. I'm gonna go in with that on my lid. Why does it, oh, it's like, why does it look so dark in here compared to a while ago? But I had my light turned. These are both looking so pretty. Honestly, if I wasn't the one doing it, I wouldn't be able to tell a difference. I'm just gonna blend on top of that. Okay, wow. Like, wow. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup real quick off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my makeup finished. Yes, I do have a little co-host with me who's trying to grab everything. But, I honestly, looking at it, I can't tell a difference. I can't. They look the same to me. Okay, so if you haven't already, let me know which one you think is the dupe, which one you think is... Ah, she is literally... She wants to swatch it. Anyways, let me know real quick before I let you know. Do you think this one's the high end, the left eye's the high end, or the right eye's the high end? Hi, you dear Delph. Say, I was doing my pajamas. You dear Delph. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Say hi. Can you wave? Can you wave? Say hi. No. Anyways, this eye I did the Dupe Bad Habit on, and this eye is the high-end version. But they look so much alike. Like, I would definitely say that is a good dupe for it. What do you think? Is it a good dupe? Okay. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all are having a great Sunday. I hope everybody has a great week next week. And I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles.